how can you change the focus name on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can open up your settings app like this, then find the focus mode, which is indicated by this like purple moon icon. You can get inside and you have a couple of existing focus modes. So this is the important distinction that we need to make, right? So you have a couple of existing ones. For example, you have the driving focus or the personal work, right? And those are like the prepared options, meaning that you can click on them, click on edit, and you can see we have the like color and the icon, which we can change, but we don't have the ability to rename it, right? Because that is a specific focus mode, which has to stay exactly as it is. However, we have the ability to come back and to the like main focus section, and in the top right there is the plus button. So we can choose from the other focus modes which appear, but when you click on custom, this is the one where you can select the name, color, and icon, and literally everything according to your preferences. So you can really change the focus for, the driving and change it to some different name, but you can set up a custom one, which you can name however you want. And of course, that one will be editable later, so you'll be able to edit it and change the name of that. But, it doesn't work for the existing or already like pre-designated focus modes, which are for a specific occasion. So that is how it works. I hope that I could manage, or I could like explain it how it works. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.